And it's Wednesday morning here in our Colorado retreat. The weather is completely overcast with sprinkles right now. Just stopped and chatted with a couple of the other families, and my dad says his family is out whitewater rafting right now, so I think we'll skip on that one. Girls and I are on our way to the craft center, and today we're going to try our hand at glass fusion. So, not really sure what we're going to create or what kind of designs.
I'm making something for Dad.
So,
But he doesn't know.
he'll know after this video.
Don't judge him.
Okay. Erica's going to try something Grateful Dead. I sense this ongoing theme. She always tries to cut across the playground here, and there she goes. Okay, so be a good day. Another day of arts and crafts for us. Tonight's plan is a laundromat. I need to get cash out of the ATM and do a load of laundry. And that's about it. We may go exploring and find out where the staples are. We actually remembered to call this morning and reserve 3 spots on the Friday 8 a.m. horse trail ride that we're going to do along with another family that's here that the girls have made friends with. So in they go.
Like an odd shape.
Well, then.
You'll go, yeah. You'll park up there, that's where the lot is, and that registry.
I'm so excited. I left the girls in the room and I walked back to the craft center to pick up my new scarf. It's all done. So I think it turned out lovely. I'll do pictures of the final project and post them. So with it, it has this water-based resist, it's called. It's like a kind of like a thick glue that you apply to the silk so that it doesn't bleed one color to the next in the area. So I have to wait 24 hours for, I guess, it to continue setting. And then tomorrow I can wash it off with warm water and then let it dry. Of course, Mia got hers yesterday, so today at the 24-hour mark, she hopped in the bathroom and washed Bob Ross off. So he's already drying now. Just finished up another lovely, lovely dinner in the cafeteria, and now I'm walking to the Longhouse where the staff and guest laundromat is housed. So it's Wednesday evening and I'm up in our lodge room by myself. The girls went downstairs to do the nightly game with all the other kids about 7:30, and I've been actually taking an online self-paced class on how to create the best photo books. Just one of those crazy ideas, I don't have enough projects going on. I have to add another one onto there, but anyways, I digress. Mia cried last night as we were going to bed because she misses her dad. It's perfectly acceptable. I mean, sometimes you miss somebody, and that's how she expresses herself, and usually it's late at night, when you're thinking about the people that you miss and that aren't here with you. And to be honest, we don't take too many vacations without Jose. We've managed to be able to stay together as a family and do most of it, but this is something that I planned about a year and a half ago, and it just came up, and we didn't know his work situation or anything when I had originally made the reservations. But we were walking back from lunch today, I think, and she's like, "Oh, I hate that this is ending in a few days, and I wish it could go on for like 3 weeks." And inside, I'm thinking, "Oh gosh, no, I would hate that." But the funny perspective. So I really am enjoying this in the sense of the quiet time at home. There's so much I want to do, but I'm busy with work and the kids and home and food and chores and all that other stuff that it's hard for me to say, okay, I need my 30 minutes. So here, I'm getting that each evening when the girls go down to play games. I've really no desire to sit and hang out with the parents. It's really super loud because kids are running all over, and it just, to me, it's chaos, and I don't enjoy all that noise. So I usually sit up here and listen to an audiobook, and I'm working on my scrapbooks and just creative and enjoying it. I am looking forward to getting home to my husband and to my home and my own kitchen and my own food, but so far it's good. The arts and crafts has definitely been a highlight, and I'm enjoying the time spent with the girls learning new activities and watching them flourish in their creativity and see what unique things that they come up with each day. So no regrets of coming here. Probably would do it differently if I were to return again. I'd probably get one of the cabins that are here that has a kitchen and cook my own meals and do my own things. Have a great night.